In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Adobe Illustrator. So there's two methods to do this. The first method is just by heading over to the application, clicking on Edit in the top navigation, coming down to Preferences, and then selecting Hyphenation. Then underneath Default Language, we just need to click this drop-down arrow. Go ahead and select the new language that you want to change this to. So for example, I'm going to press English USA, and then select OK. Now, once you've done that, you can check to see if that's changed your language. If it's not working, then what you'll need to do is close out of the Illustrator application, head over to the Adobe Creative Cloud, click on the navigation icon in the top left-hand side and select File, click on Preferences, select Apps, and then scroll down until you see the Installing section, and where it says Default Install Language, this is where we need to change the language. So for example, let's say we wanted to change it from International to English North America. Then once you've done this, press Done. Then what you'll need to do is click on Home in the left navigation, select Apps from the right hand side, and now you'll notice we have this install button next to Adobe Illustrator. So just go ahead and press that. And once that's finished installing, we can then open up the application, and that will have now changed your default language. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.